Pocket holes are awesome and I love my pocket hole jig. But what if I don't have this at the time, or say it gets broken, or even if you don't own one? Let me show you how to do a very similar version without the jig. For this example, I'm going to connect these two pieces of wood right here in the corner. Now in most cases you'll have your holes and screws on the inside of the wood so they're not seen, but I'm just going to do them on the outside right here so it's easier for you to see. Now looking at the piece that would normally have the holes for the pocket holes in it, we're going to pull that one to the side and lay it flat, because we want to take a measuring tool and going up from that base here, we want to go up about an inch and make a mark. And then take that measuring tool and just draw a light line going all the way across so we know it'll be exactly even all the way across there. Then take a clamp and secure that board in place so it won't move around easily. Then you want to get a drill with a drill bit that's going to be just slightly smaller than the shaft on the screws that we're going to use. Then place that drill bit right on that line about where you want it, even on each side, and you just want to do a couple quick taps on your drill just so it creates a little divot in the wood there and not move around. In the process of doing this, if your bit moves just a little bit, it's okay, as long as it's really close to the line. Once we have the hole started, we now want to take the drill and just slowly get it going, and in that process we want to just barely push forward, but mainly try and lift up because we're trying to get the right angle for those screws. Once you have the angle that you need, then proceed to drill the hole into the wood. But also make sure you know the depth in which you can go in so you don't accidentally drill all the way through the wood. And once you have that hole, it's now time to add your screw. And if you notice, this is not a pocket screw. It is just a standard deck screw that is 2.5 inches long because it works with this wood here. So we're now going to screw that into place. Now if you'll notice here, I left the screw a little proud of the wood. And the reason why is I don't want it to split the wood here. Now in a lot of cases your screws are going to be hidden on the inside so it won't be seen. But if these happen to be seen, you can always take a slightly larger drill bit, drill out a little pocket into that hole so that your head will fit nicely inside. Now if we take a look at this connection, that is a really tight connection. And that is a great way to connect your wood without using pocket holes.